guys, it's your girl Estä, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun, and I'm back with another video. Listen, if you don't know who I am, you might as well go ahead and click that subscribe button. It is right over here. Also with that bell notification right next to it. Before I get into this video, I know. I just gotta get this out the way. I have 632 locks. These are DIY microlocks done with the interlocking method. This is a real lock, and my hair type is 4A, 4B, and 4C. All right, let's go ahead and start. So within the 12 months of this journey that I have been in with my DIY microlocks, I'm starting to feel my hair. I am starting to feel my hair. Like, baby, it's the weight for me. It's the weight for me. Can you see it jiggling? It's the weight for me. Okay, when I say weight, meaning that when I'm in the shower washing my hair in the braiding method, yes, I still do that. I can feel my hair. And also, I blow dry my hair. I can feel the weight. If you don't know, I have had 2 previous sets of locks before. Yeah, don't judge me. Judge your mammy. Listen, all I can say is, a girl already got some mature locks at the bottom though. Listen, I think about like this whole back row or this whole section right here is fully locked. Like, sis. And bro, I can't forget about you guys. Like, my whole back row or the back section is fully locked. How do I know? Because I've already had traditional locks before and it looks just like them. As for the other parts of my hair, I don't think it's fully locked because the best way that I know that my hair is locked is if it doesn't have as much elasticity. Like, if you see here, I still have elasticity in my hair. Like, see? And like, if I pull the ones down here, see, I don't have, see, it's not as much as this one. See how like this is stuck. It's up and it's stuck. You guys see the difference? You see what I'm getting here? All right. One thing I noticed within being 12 months, I gotta keep saying the 12 months because I didn't know I'd reach it. One thing that I noticed is the fact that my hair retains moisture, y'all. I don't even have to put oil in my hair more than once a week. I probably do it like one time. Sometimes I don't even put oil. I would just spray it. It just soaks it and keeps it in. I don't know what it does, how it's doing. I just hope it stays like this. Yup. I know you see it. Yeah. Baby, my hair shape is still intact. Yes, I love it. And my hair has dropped. My hair is touching my shoulders. I do not cut my hair like this. My hair naturally grows like this. But the fact that it's actually dropped, I kind of miss my volume. My volume has disappeared a little bit. I still have volume, but not as much. But I don't know. I like it still. It's not too bad. Disregard the grays. I have a lot of grays in this area. I know. I was thinking of dyeing my hair. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. I appreciate you so much. If you have not subscribed, you might as well click that bell notification while you're at it so you can get alerts whenever I post a new video. It's so simple, baby. Why you don't do it? Why you hurt my feelings like that? Other than that, if you have any questions, comments, you already know what to do. Leave them down in the description box. I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye. Hi, it's Estä here, and I'm back just for a little bit. If you don't know, I am a fashion designer, and I am opening a new portal for you guys, so you guys can actually see behind the scenes of a designer. And I have other things that are also coming to this channel too. So I don't want you guys to be alarmed. Yes, there's still gonna be some hair content. Yes, I still love you. And yes, you still can subscribe. All right, okay? All right. Wait a minute. Sis, what you eating? What is that? Oh, so We're not sharing? What? Oh, okay. I'll see you in the next video.